I'm Mike Jolley, Senior Manager of Technical Support for EP-Cube. When you're connecting all of your terminations in EP-Cube Hybrid, you'll use the same type of push-in constant torque connection. To connect these devices, you push in the little orange tab and you pull out the wire or push in the wire, and then when you release the orange tab, it will lock in the wire. This is the same connection for the communication, the power, or the DC strings. As you do these, you'll want to give a little tug on the wires and make sure that they don't come out. You'll also want to make sure that the wires are stripped to the correct length, because you can crimp down on the insulation if the strip is too short on the wiring. So make sure as you strip the wire, it is the proper length, and that way it will ensure that when the terminal locks down on the wire, it will be locking down on the conductor and not the insulation. One other thing is your PV strings. You'll notice this is a fully loaded DC string inverter with 4 PV strings. So to keep things clear and consistent, we've clearly labeled all the PV positive and minus and negatives with tabs that show if they're PV1, PV2, PV3, or PV4. You can see on the other side, the unit comes with PV labels that will show PV4, PV2, whatever it is. And then on our input side, we've done the same thing. This is also very helpful for troubleshooting or service in the future. If you have a string that's showing low voltage, we can identify that on the app as being PV1, 2, 3, or 4. And then if you come back on this side, hopefully it's labeled. You can double check the connection here. Or if you have to go up on the roof, hopefully it's labeled up on the roof, and you can double check and see where it's connected at the roof and minimize your troubleshooting timeline when you're having to get in and figure out a system that's having issues.